Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done sharing my heart for a third time here at Nordstrom Elementary School in Morgan Hill, California, part of the Morgan Hill Unified School District, and just a big inspiration to be back here today. The whole theme was about positivity, being our best self, doing the best that we can, that we are responsible for the effort, not always the outcome, but if we are giving it our best, giving it our all, that we're going to get the results, usually 9 out of 10 times, that we want. And just to really instill at a young age that we need to talk kindly to our mind and to our heart, that it's going to believe whatever we tell it. It's such an important lesson. And we tried to really reinforce that today through a series of videos and songs and stories, just trying to understand that the opposite of success is not failure, right? That if we fail, we're not a failure. If we make a mistake, we're not a mistake. The opposite is quitting. It's giving up. But as long as we keep trying, that's really all that counts. And basically, true excellence is not being the best, it's doing your best, right? That if you're just doing your best, that's all anybody can ask for from you, right? Whether it's your teacher, your parents, anybody in your community that, you know, we are looking up to, that we show them that Nordstrom way that you guys talk about every morning too, during the morning announcements, that you're giving your all, right, to all aspects of life, how you treat yourself in a kind way, how you treat others in a very positive way, and knowing that it's so easy to stay positive when things are going well and when the sun is shining. And it's shining now, it wasn't this morning, but it's easy to keep that negative attitude, right? Whether it's the weather outside, whether we don't understand a problem right at first, whether we just can't figure something out, or we're going through a really tough time in our life, that we can either stay down or we can choose to stay positive, right? And keep our head up. That's why I wear this shirt for this particular assembly. The words are upside down on purpose, because it's a reminder to always think positive no matter what. No matter what we're going through, no matter what we are going to go through, that yes, there will sometimes be that struggle and that pain and that really tough time, but it can make us stronger if we let it, right? We're turning those negative thoughts that we have about ourselves, that I can't do something, I'm not good enough, I'm not smart enough, I'm not fast enough, I'm not pretty enough, into I can do anything. Keep talking positively to ourselves and also understand our worth and our value. We always revisit this concept, the M on all of our palms with the lines on each of our hands, the letter M. I trace mine with washable marker here. The M for miracle, upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to give it and receive it. And we just got to keep reminding ourselves of that, and then go out and help others believe that too, that maybe don't, right? And that's part of being our best self and staying positive here at Nordstrom Elementary. You guys are beautiful. Never lose that motivation inside, and never give up, and just keep showing this world, you know, who you are. Because just from the people that came up to me, the students, some of the staff members, it really did touch their hearts, and that means you have a big heart, and now it's up to you to go share that positivity by how you choose to treat yourself and others going forward. Hope to see you again soon in the future. Until then, and as always, make sure to hit the notification bell you see pop up on the screen here to subscribe. You can also check out this incredible playlist of YouTube videos, and feel free to visit my website, where you can track my journey across this country through the other link on the screen as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.